up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And I know how much you guys love videos that have my mom featured in it, so that's what I'm gonna give you, because you guys love her collard green video, you love her fried chicken video, so here's another. Today, my mom is in the Sister Girl Tuesday kitchen showing us how to make a vegan noodle stir fry. And y'all, let me just tell you that this recipe has developed for me a new love for seasoning, specifically harissa. Y'all, you need to get some. You need some to make this recipe, but you need to get some just to have on hand. So poppin', okay? So if you want to see how my mom makes this recipe, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
All right, the first thing you're gonna do is chop the rest of your vegetables. So that's your bok choy, onions, carrots, and green beans. And then add them to a pan that's already sauteing your minced garlic and give everything a good mix until your onions start to become translucent. All right, now we're gonna go in with some crushed red pepper. You know how I like things spicy, so we had to spice it up. And then we're gonna go in with our protein. And so today we'll be using the Tofurkey lightly seasoned chicken, all right? You wanna make sure to give everything a good mix. Now this harissa, y'all, this is what I was raving about in the beginning. It is spicy, so use with caution. And then we're gonna go in with some low sodium soy sauce. Once you've got those ingredients in, again, give everything a good mix. All right, now it's time to go in with the yakisoba noodles. What I love about these noodles, you don't have to cook them beforehand. So you just add them to your stir fry and then start mixing. Like, how amazing is that? So the flavor wasn't quite there yet, so we added back some soy sauce, and then I put the total amount you'll need in the ingredient section in the beginning. All right, satisfied with how it's looking and how it's tasting, so we're gonna go in with our bok choy. Now that we've got that in, give everything a good stir, and then you're ready to serve. If you want to make it Thai, add some peanut sauce. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below.